Hey business owners, today we are going to take a behind the scenes look at the ebook called The Benefits of Selling Digital Products and How to Get Started. So this is an ebook that's available on our Facebook, in our Facebook shop. It's also available in our on our website at makingitremotely.com. So you can get this ebook, and you can also get it if you decide that you want to become a subscriber. We will give you this ebook for free. So this is a really affordable ebook, and it is packed with so much great information. So I'm going to take you through the table of contents, and you can decide whether this is a good fit for what you are looking for. So we start out with, of course, an introduction, and then listen on the go. So we've already kind of gone through that. Listen on the go is just an episode of our podcast that we did that ties into digital products. So we talk about digital products here. It's about 39 minutes. You can listen on Spotify. You can listen wherever you listen to your podcast. So we're on Apple, we're on Google, we're on about 7 different podcast platforms. So just, wherever you go, just check out the Creative Impulse with Marvel and Brown. And you should be able to find us. And if you have difficulty, just reach out and I will get you started. If you're not on Spotify, then I will try to help you find where we are on the platform that you use. Okay, so now, what is a digital product? And that's the next area that we're going to talk about. So what is a digital product? Once you determine what a digital product is, you are going to be so blown away, because it's kind of like the ultimate simplicity. And when you think about digital products and how we create them, what they are and how they're created, you are going to be blown away, especially if you are someone who has worked with like Microsoft Office, Adobe, Creative Cloud, if you've been a Canva user. If you're someone who has created documents of any kind, you are going to be amazed at what a digital product is, and how it can be monetized. And when I think about all the digital products that I have created, things like guides and manuals and white papers and all of these things that I've done in the course of my career, on the job, as well as things that I've done in my online business, it just really blew me away when I learned what digital products were, what they include, and how I can use that to, monetize those items to earn money. So why this business model is attractive. So that's where you're going to learn about all the different benefits, how to start a digital product business for free. This is important because a lot of people are looking for a low risk way to start earning online. So you don't have to spend, there's kind of a myth out there that, in order to have a thriving online business, you have to spend a lot of money. Now, you can get started for free, and we show you how to do that in this section. You can get started for free, and then once your business is, humming along, then you can also take some of your profit and invest it into tools that are going to help you work smarter, not harder. So in the beginning, you may have to do a lot of stuff yourself if you decide to set this up for free. But then at some point, you may want to contract some things out. You may want to buy tools that really, cut your production time in half so that you can have more free time to do the things that you want to do. So there are a lot of different ways that you can approach this, but we show you how to start a digital product for free, how to add value to gain repeat business. So you don't want to just sell a product to someone and then you never see them again. You want repeat customers. So we talk to you about that and how you can make that happen, identifying your ideal customers. So the big mistake that I see a lot of business owners make is that they try to sell their products to everyone, and then that makes them become overwhelmed. They don't get the results that they're looking for, and then that is how a lot of people end up quitting, because they don't know how to identify their ideal customers. So we show you how to do that. We show you how to drum up business. So once you know who your ideal customers are, how do you get business? How do you get people to come through your site or your online store or your platform, whatever your platform is that you're using to sell your products. How do you get folks to give you, the time of day? Next, we kind of talk about, how you can solve problems with digital products. So the more problems you can solve with these products, the more money you are going to be able to earn. So the more products you solve for your ideal customers, not trying to solve the problems of the entire world, but actually solving problems for your ideal customers. Solve more problems, earn more money. Use digital products to generate leads. So that is really, when you have leads, that is really the first touch point that people who are really interested in your business, that is the first touch point for people who want to know more. You can have a zillion followers on your social media platform, but if none of them are leads, they're never going to know what it's really like to work with your business. So the thing that you also want to do is you want to be successful on social media, but you also want to convert more of those followers, those people who follow you on your favorite platforms. You want to turn those into leads. Once they become a lead, then it's a lot easier for them to learn the behind the scenes stuff that you can teach them and show them so that they can be successful in whatever it is that you are doing to help them. Use digital products to attract potential customers. So we show you how to do that. And then resources that cost money. Again, we go back to, in the beginning, you start out and you get it all set up for free. This is one of those business models that you can really set up for free. But then you want to transition, you want to make that transformation to resources, tools, and things that you can use that will cost money, but help you become more productive. And when you're more productive, that means that you can be more profitable. Teach and promote with courses, quizzes, and webinars. So this is a way that tons and tons of people have, been able to get their businesses off the ground. So we talk about that. And then learn to create, sell, package, and distribute your digital products. So it's not about just creating the products. It's also about how you package them, how you present them to the world, how you promote them. All of those things go into having a successful digital product business. And then resources that you can use to generate leads and sales. So you want to have, again, the right tools that will enable you to set your business up. And you really want a business, to be honest with you, you want a business that earns passive income. And I believe we have some information on, we break down what passive income is. But you want that in your business. And I'm going to just pause this for one moment and just head over to page 19 just to make sure that we have that link. We have a full tutorial on passive income and what it is. So I want to make sure that that's here. I will be right back. Just one moment. Okay, so I found that link was not in there. However, I'm going to place that link in the section on resources you can use to generate leads and sales. I will definitely put a link to our, it's kind of like a little mini tutorial on active, passive, and residual income and what that means, because that's important as well. When you set your business up in the right way, especially if you set it up in a way that allows you to earn passive income, that's going to also free you up. It's going to make you more productive. It's going to free you up so that you can achieve your business goals without having to be sitting in front of the computer all day long. So that information is there as well. And then we have, of course, the wrapping it up section that really kind of gives you a little blurb about me and my background. So that is really it. But this is a guide that you don't want to pass up, because if you are, looking for that way to start an online business that enables you to get started for free, and to really expend the lowest amount of money possible to get started, this is going to be one of those. So I appreciate your time today. I hope you'll head over, get the ebook, and we're going to get that update posted to our blog so that you can get the version that has the information about passive income. So I appreciate your time. I will talk to you on the next video.